Okay guys, so I'm doing this tire swap. I got these ITP 27 by 10 by 12 in the front and 27 by 12 by 12 in the back. ITP mud lights on some old ITP rims. Okay, these tires are probably 12 years old now. And you see how well they've held up. Some of them started leaking in the front and back. Two on this left side, that one and that one. So I decided I was gonna have to get some more tires. So I got a gear reduction, HMF pipe. I got everything in this thing, right? So might as well go with some bigger tires. Okay. So got these for a really nice deal. So I bought some 28-inch by 12, no, 28 by 10 by 12 Vampire EDLs. And right now, I was trying to put them on, and gotta have wheel spacers apparently. Cause if you see, that's it. I don't have any more room. Can't go no further in there, I don't think. I can, but those, oh crap, what do you call them? Lug nuts, they're too big for the rim hole. So I guess I'll have to get some different lug nuts. Anyways, these are still really nice tires. I'm gonna get some wheel spacers for the back because they're 10 inches wide all the way around. They almost have 2 inches of tread. Here, I'll get a measuring tape. See there? Almost 2 inches of tread. And brand new, they come with 2 inches of tread. So that's that. They don't measure 28 inches tall. I mean, they are bigger than these 27s, but they don't measure 28. You see how far that sticks in? I don't really like that. I like that more wider look, so I'm gonna get some spacers. And especially spacers in the back, if anything. Because those big 12-inch, they stick out. And those 10s will be like right in here. Those Can-Am Defender, y'all have seen in other videos. And, well, lawnmower. I'll give you guys a startup, then I'll go show you the other tires and how they look. Like I said, endless mods on this thing. They needed some more aggression because they just sling these 27s, and I want something that digs a little bit more for where I ride. Okay. I'll go show you guys the other 28s. Yeah, I'll show you how one of those old ITP mud lights stands up to the Vampires. Okay, here's the rest of them. This one's flat by now, it needs to be aired up. That's it. Just another front tire on a 6-inch by 12 rim. Those are on 12 by 7.5-inch rims. I don't know if those IPTs are. It says the max pressure is 5 psi. I was thinking it'd be a little bit more than that, but whatever it says. What else we got? Oh yeah, got the dog. Puggies. He's a pug. Yeah, like I said, endless mods on this thing. I got a 2-inch snorkel, custom, man up. I got HMF pipe, got jet kit, gear reduction, lift, hand shifter, all that good stuff. Now they are headed to the ATV park as usual. Oh yeah. Shoot, what was I gonna do? This thing's always getting locked up for some reason. Yeah, that's all I'm gonna do. Don't want to break nothing. See, these 27s, I put a lot of air in them. These things float. But if you, here, this is terrible. See, these 27 Mud Lights, they're pretty tall. They don't measure 27, they're over 27. Now lining them up, I think they're just about the same height. Didn't even pay attention to that, wow. Huh. Let me see one of these 27s and measure it to 30. No. I measured those vampires, so I guess one of them must be bigger than the other ones. And that's weird. Because I measured one of those to that 30, and it was almost taller than that 30. It was like, almost, it was like right here on the tread, the top of it. And these are 30 by 14 by 10 ITP 50s. These are real nice tires, perform really well. They're pretty much brand new, these are. Yeah, then the back's 11-inch wide. Front is 10-inch wide. You know, all that good stuff. I guess I'll stop the video here. Got the new ones. Got the Pug. And the others. Alright, I'll show a video after I get these things installed. Probably will be a little while if I show a video on that, because got to order some wheel spacers. Don't know when they'll come in. But yeah, there's that. I'll let you guys go. Gotta go do crap. Peace.